Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Hyundai i30 N Performance hatch, stock reference number 4578. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a G4KH 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4KH 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left side skirt. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear N-type rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right hand sill skirt and right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type in black. Left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, both in black. Instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke N-type steering wheel in leather with cruise audio and phone buttons.